Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you how to create a carousel Instagram post quick and easy using Canva. So what you want to do is guys, straight away, let's get into the video. No messing around today. I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you want to do is open Canva. Can you see I've opened it? Like I always say, if you haven't already got it and if you're new here, first of all, make sure you subscribe. Second of all, if you haven't got Canva, and you would like Canva, there is a 30-day free trial in the description below. You can sign up using that, or you can use Canva for free using the link as well. You'll get all the information there. So what you want to do is, first of all, in the search box here, what you want to do is search for carousel Instagram posts. What you've got is, here they are, they've turned up here. So I have found one before. I'm going to switch to this one here. So just for the sake of quickness, I'm gonna select this one, my top business tools. Click on that. Ready-made templates. So they're easy for editing and stuff like that. So I'm gonna quickly show you how to edit it and then how to download it. So here we go. It's just loading up. So Canva's really good. Make sure you see my other tutorials on how to use Canva, how to create a logo with Canva, and hopefully you get some value out of it. So what we want to do, like, just really quickly, here you go. Template ready made. Can you see the design already there? My top business tools. So you got about 5 pages here. 8. Yep. Oh, in fact, there's 7 pages. So we don't need that many pages. So first of all, we're gonna take some out. So not that one. Delete that one. So we can delete that using the icon there. Then we're just gonna. I'm gonna edit one or two of them just to show you. So my top business tools. I'm gonna leave that like that. Let's see if I can change that. If you can change the image just for the sake of this tutorial. So tools, let's write tools in here. There we are. So we can change that just to show you something. Sorry guys, that's the wrong one. Let's have a look. Some of these are a pro, so you'd have to have the pro account to use these. But there's some free stuff here as well. Can you see that's free? I'm going to use that and just place it where I want it. The tools aren't this, the top business tools. Then what I'm going to do, tool name, the first one, I'm just going to write Canva. Canva. That's my first tool. What I do is put it in the middle. There we are, and the writing. Like Canva is a great graphic design tool suitable for everyone. There we are. I'm just gonna delete that one and see if I can find a Canva logo. So Canva normally does have one for free. I'm gonna use that one. I really like this one. I'm gonna do is gonna place it there, maybe a bit bigger, maybe a bit. There we are. So that's my first one done straight away. My second tool will be, just for the sake of this video, uh, Google. Let's put it in the middle. This time I'm going to change the font so I can show you how to change the font. You come on here, text color. I'm going to change it to, yep, there we are. Can you see compared to that one that's black? That's okay. Just really quickly, Google is a great search engine. I'm just going to get rid of this one here. So you get the picture, don't you? And then I'm just going to change that. Let's see if I can find a Google one. See how quick this is and easy, and how you can find graphics and all that kind of stuff. So here, Google sign. These are all free to use. I'm just going to use the actual Google sign there. Put that there. Make it a bit bigger. There we are. Similar to Canva tool, which is your favorite tool. So there we are. Really quickly, we've done that. So now I'm going to show you how to download it. Also, just before I download it, if I want to change the color of the background, I can always select the background there and then come on to here and change it to whatever color I want as well. So that's entirely up to you. I'm just going to keep it white. You can just change that as well. Right, so I'm going to download this so you know how to download this. There is going to be other tutorials on my YouTube channel, so make sure you go check them out, and it gives you a better understanding how to use Canva as well. So what we're going to do is click share, and this is the tool that's going to come up. And then what you want to do is click download, and yes, here we go, as a yeah, and then click download. Right, I'm just going to open it up again. There you are, you get the files there as you want it. Yep, and you just upload them. If you wanted to download it other formats, you can download it other formats. So if you wanted to present it as a video, you can do, or any other formats, JPEG and stuff like that, or you can directly share this as well. So if I come back, share this, share on social media, then you can go straight to your Instagram. Mine's not connected, but you can share it straight onto Instagram. That's how you make a seamless carousel Instagram post. I don't want to make this video too long, so I hope you've enjoyed that video. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video.